So home screen of the application. Once you first open the application, we'll just let you set up our set up an account. And you can even go through that process again by just adding a next account. If you do have an account, let's say you want to add a actual account, meaning an actual bank account, but this is pretty much just Wise, PayPal, and another payment gateway. Nothing much. You have the other option here with investment option, which pretty much you're gonna need a real bank account. You're gonna need to link a real bank account for that option there. Also have different option as it relates to importing data and so forth. Nothing much for that. You have the manual setup here as well. You're just adding just some random. This is not real, guys. This section here is not real. But to add a bank at the top here, you pretty much, this is section here is pretty much real. Once you tap on this option here, you do go ahead and select the country that you're from. As you can see here, let's say I'm from United States. And I do select, go ahead and select the bank that I have, and it will pretty much link it to this application here, and it will keep my budgets and everything in check. So here it will just give you, if you're gonna add an account, it will just give you a random account. As you can see, your manual input, just something random. You want to create something. Let's say you don't want to link your bank account or anything like that to this application. You can go through this process here and set up something random. So yeah, that's how you create or set up the bank account as it relates to this. So nothing much for that. So that's really pretty much it for there. Also, once you first open the application, will allow you to create a simple bank account, as you can see here, and can tap on the account details as well. And I can also go ahead and tap on the edit option there. And do change the name of the account and also the account number, or can just add a fashion style account number to it as well. So that's really pretty much it for that here. So this application here helps you track and pretty much budget your spending as it relates to you tracking your money and everything. So you have a lot of features which you can use. You have the expenditures features. You have quite a lot of features you can use. So if I tap on the lines over here, you have the records option, which pretty much keeps tracks of everything. And the blue icon here, tap on this plus icon here as it relates to you adding stuff here. You can also add your income, as you can see here. Let's say you made some money today, you made some money somewhere. Can add it to your account. Let's say, for example, you just trying to keep everything in place. Let's say I made $2,000 just saying, guys. So tap on the ticket icon here or select the category option down here. And you're gonna say, let's say you made it from food and drinks, you deliver some food, or you went shopping, or you sell something. I don't know what you guys do, bro. But anything that you have to do, we'll put it in that section here. And income that. Once I've done that, just tap on the ticket icon here. And as you can see here, I've pretty much gained 2,000 Jamaican dollars, and it will keep track of it. So for this to work, guys, you pretty much have to add everything. Just tap on the plus icon here and add it whether you spend, whether you earn some cash, whether you got some cash, whether you want to add some cash. You can pretty much use this option here to do so. Let's say you want to transfer some cash to a different account, meaning a different dummy account, not the real account, guys. So do keep that in mind. So this is just a dummy account and so forth, nothing real. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Here you have the investment section. This is pretty much the official bank account section here. You're gonna need a subscription or a premium subscription to be able to use the investment account where you can invest in stocks and so forth. But you're going to need a subscription to get access to this section here, as you can see here, and as well Tesla and so forth. So nothing much for that. You have the statistics as it relates to your balance, your cash flow, everything you will be able to see, and you can also input stuff as well. As you can see here, it will track pretty much everything as it relates to your cash flow and so forth. So do make sure you do add or keep records of what you have done throughout the day, what you have what you have spent your money on, pretty much anything as it relates to you spending money. So all you have to do is just tap on the plus icon here, blue plus icon here. Let's say you have done anything, make sure to use this option here and add anything at all that you have, everything and anything, guys. If it's even $8, make sure you go ahead and add it. So once you have done it, just tap on the ticket icon here. You're pretty much good to go. Let's say I've spent money on clothes, as you can see here, the expenses, and it will pretty much take $5,000 Jamaican dollars out of my account. So it's just acting as a real account. Let's say I do have that money in my actual account, we will just keep track from it. So down here you have the plan payments option here. Can also add this as well. Let's say you have a payment coming up, or you're gonna get some big cash a specific time, it's a one-time thing, or it's whatever the case is, guys, just add your information here, whether it be income or expenses, add your information here, set the date, and you're pretty much good to go. We'll keep track of everything. So as you can see here, one of your businesses and so forth, you have a lot of different things as well. Let's say you have a goal or something that you want to buy in the future, you can as well add this plus icon here and add the information and so forth. So very, very good application. And at the top here, you can pretty much go and get premium option here to get access to some other features as well, and linking your actual bank account. I'm not really sure of how the actual bank account part goes, but I may need to make a next video on that one. But for now, you're gonna need a subscription to get access to that feature, and as well the investment part as well. So if I missed anything at all, you do have any questions at all as it relates to this application, do make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and do make sure guys keep saving that cash. See you in the next one.